Unleashing the full potential of Bingx. Copy trade your way to crypto wealth. What's up, my crypto-savvy dudes and dudettes? It's your boy Ryan, back at it again with an absolute game changer when it comes to navigating the wild world of cryptocurrency trading. If you're anything like me, you've probably been searching high and low for a way to break into the crypto scene and start raking in those sweet gains. Well, let me tell you, I've stumbled upon a hidden gem that's going to blow your mind, and it's called Bingx. Now, I know what you're thinking, Bingx. Never heard of it. Well, my friends, let me enlighten you. Bingx is a next-generation crypto exchange that's taking the industry by storm, and it's all thanks to its revolutionary copy trading feature. Imagine being able to literally copy the trades of the top-performing traders on the platform and watch your portfolio skyrocket. It's like having your own personal finance guru whispering sweet nothings in your ear, except these nothings are turning into cold, hard cash. But let me back up a bit and give you the full scoop on why Bingx is such a game changer. First and foremost, the platform is packed with an extensive range of cryptocurrencies, from the big-name heavyweights like Bitcoin and Ethereum to the up-and-coming altcoins that are primed to explode. And let me tell you, the liquidity on Bingx is off the charts, so you can buy and sell with lightning-fast speed and zero slippage. But the real kicker is the copy trading feature. It's like having a crystal ball that lets you see into the future of the crypto market. By following the lead of the top traders on the platform, you can ride the wave of their success and watch your portfolio grow exponentially. And let me tell you, these traders are no slouches. We're talking about seasoned veterans who have honed their skills over years of navigating the volatile crypto landscape. Now, I know what you're thinking. Sounds too good to be true, Ryan. Well, let me assure you, it's as real as it gets. Bingx has developed a state-of-the-art algorithm that scans the platform for the best-performing traders and gives you the ability to copy their moves in real time. And let me tell you, it's not just about making money, it's also about learning from the best in the business. By following the lead of these crypto gurus, you'll gain invaluable insight into the world of trading, learning the strategies and techniques that have made them so successful. And let's not forget the thrill of the chase, am I right? There's nothing quite like the rush of watching your portfolio grow by the minute as you ride the coattails of the crypto elite. But the best part, Bingx makes it all so dang easy. With just a few clicks, you can start copying the trades of your favorite traders and watch the profits roll in. And let me tell you, the platform's user-friendly interface is a godsend for those of us who aren't exactly tech-savvies when it comes to crypto. And speaking of tech-savvies, let's talk about the security measures in place on Bingx. These guys take security seriously, with multiple layers of protection to keep your funds safe and sound. From advanced encryption to state-of-the-art cold storage, you can rest easy knowing that your crypto is in good hands. Now, I know what you're thinking. All right, Ryan, how do I get in on this action? Well, my friends, it's as easy as signing up on the Bingx platform. And let me tell you, the process is a breeze. Just a few simple steps and you'll be on your way to crypto stardom. But wait, there's more. When you sign up, be sure to use the referral code 911. That's right, 911. This will not only give you a sweet little bonus to get you started, but it'll also help support your boy Ryan here. After all, I'm just trying to spread the wealth and help my fellow crypto enthusiasts make it big, you feel me? So, what are you waiting for, my dudes? It's time to unleash the full potential of Bingx and start copy trading your way to crypto wealth. Trust me, once you see the gains start rolling in, you'll be kicking yourself for not getting in on the action sooner. And remember, keep an eye out for all the deets on the links and contacts in the description below. You're gonna want to have those handy when you're signing up and getting your copy trading game on. Alright, time to wrap this up, my crypto comrades. Remember, the key to success in this game is staying informed, staying disciplined, and staying one step ahead of the curve. And with Bingx in your corner, you'll be unstoppable. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up, use that referral code, and let's get this party started. I'll see you on the other side, raking in those sweet gains.